each time when they see, it purifies 100,000 eons of negative karma. 100,000 of negative karma get purified. Each time when they see the mantra on the roof, other side. From Chulung Roberto, stainless lotus pentacle mantra. So each time the birds come in to eat food inside, each time they fly inside, it purifies 1,000 eons of negative karma. So they get benefit so much. So each day, how many times they go to eat food? By the way, purify. 1,000 eons, not years, not days, not lifetime, eons of negative. 1,000, even that is the 1,000. So then, but I told Tajim, because we charity grants the birds, so as much they grants food, they eat less animal. They eat less animal. As they eat less animal, so they give less harm to other sentiments, killing. It doesn't mean stop negative karma. Of course, even for us as eating organs, sleeping, all that's difficult to begin dharma. So birds, of course, it can't stop negative karma, but negative karma harming others, killing others, all become less. So other sentient beings inside receiving harm, being killed, become less, and the birds killing others become less. So it's a true benefit. It has true benefits. Suffer others being killed, and birds killing the karma become less. But when charity food the birds, also like that. So therefore we have to rejoice how good it is, how wonderful it is. It's very important to know that. Birds coming here, I don't know. There must be not birds coming from all about distance coming here. I don't know that. But must be birds around here. So fortunate birds. They're fortunate. So that's probably most of the birds are probably a good batch. The good bed, and they have a mother reading terror cells, a good bed. So this is another small benefit, how to benefit the birds. So if you can feed the birds, so in the past I used to recite mantra, bird food, blessed, there is a blow. Then when they eat that, not only fill stomach, but purify their mind. It benefits their mind. That's the body and mind. So you not only helping body, but purify their mind. So they don't get their negative karma, all this they have done from beginning, purified, that itself it helps to not get reborn all this. We have water for the birds, they come and swim. So there's no fear, so they come there, many birds and swim. This we have one mantra from Padmasambhava, that mantra is water, blessed water. If I drink the water, nice to achieving that. But then birds swim in the water, so I thought, and their body goes on top of them, and they may be distracted. So I thought to not put in the water, but to put in the container where we from where we put water inside. So this way they get still the same water they get, blessed water. But now I told Tajin, the monk here, Washington Amitabha Pure Land, who lives here, take care of the altars, make some water bowl offerings every day. Amazing. amazing his stability and his stability, his mind is so stable. Not going up and down. Kind of many people go like that, but very stable. So so I told him the water to put 5 pills, 5 money pills all the time in the water, crushed, put. It's both blessing, so much blessing and purification, and so much blessing of change. So I told that. So one way. So not only helping to quench their feeling thirst, but also help the mind to purify the negative karmas collected from beginners about obscuration, and to get higher about to the ultimate Dharma, and to be free from samsara, and to achieve the not only that, and then to achieve the state of omniscient mind, completion of all the elimination of the obscuration, and completion of all the realizations. So to bring that. So it's very, very good. And then Tachin has found ants nest. First I found 2 ant nests, and we made cherries for the ants. I have a text how to make cherries for the ants. Samba with butter and things, and red dry, and then sprinkle all over them. Nest, and then they come to eat him. So after 1 week, then completely gone. I don't know. Also, maybe other animals come to eat. I'm not sure. So anyway, so he found now many ant nests. So we make charity of the ants next time. So the ants come to know slowly. Then the mama ants first come to, then mama ants. So it's very good. So we try to. Also, I told him to recite mantra for the tsamba before giving away with the church. Then they okay. Only not only benefit the mind, benefit not only body, but also mind. It's purify mind. People give food, but many people don't benefit the mind. Also, it's just, just like body, the knowledge here, mind. Very deep benefit, unexpressible benefit. Oh, so much rejoice. Oh, life to be happy. Benefiting others. So are you happy? Others should be happy. Okay? Right.